Another AI tool claiming to do everything? Usually that means it does nothing well. But then I landed on Monica.ai's website for 2026, and I saw something different, a true all-in-one assistant that isn't just a ChatGPT wrapper. Monica is available as a Chrome extension, a desktop app, and a mobile app, syncing everything across devices. The all-in-one claim is real. You get a chat assistant, a writing tool, a reading assistant, an art generator, and a search engine enhancer. A huge positive is a sidebar mode that opens without leaving your current tab, allowing you to discuss or rewrite content on the fly. The knowledge base is a pro-level feature letting you train Monica on your own documents to get specific answers. There are 4 subscription tiers. Ultra at US $82.09 per month offers unlimited access to all basic and advanced models plus full image and video generation features. Max at US $16.06 per month with a 33% flash sale provides the same unlimited access to basic and advanced Polycule fall sale. Retail and hours in new complot de models including GPT 5.5, Claude 4.6, Sonnet, Gemini 3.1 Pro, and tools like Nano Banana 2, GPT Image 2, Sora 2, and Veo 3 Pro at US $8.93 per month includes 5,000 basic and 200 advanced model queries monthly with image and video generation, while the free plan at US 00 allows 40 daily basic model accesses with limited trials for generation and other features. Goodbye, my dear.